So before we go into Google Vids in detail, let us explore the interface of Google Vids. So once you open up your Google Vids, this is what you see right here. On the bottom, you see the timeline right here, and you can even show the timings for the selected ones in detail, as you can see. You can press the play button right here to preview the videos or anything that you may have over here in the main project. Over here, you see the plus button, which actually lets you go ahead and create a new scene. And over here in between, you get an option to add in transitions right here. You can go ahead and right click to get many different options right here. And over here on the top, you got the menu bar for more options right here. Over here, you can see that you can add in comment, add in background, and so forth right here as you need. And simply go ahead and change it out according to how you like right there. Over here on the right hand side, you can see that you got the record button right here, just like this, which allows you to record out your voiceover, screen, even screen and camera or camera right here. And then you also have an option to manage and add your scripts right here, generate out contents using View, as you can see right here, just like this as well. And then depending on plan, this may be available and not as well. And then you got an option to upload your drives and photos from over here as well. And then around from over here, you can work around with stocks and webs. You can access out stock photos that you may have. And from over here, you can insert out text as needed, just like this as well, and then arrange it out. And then you can see that as per the object that you have in the main window, you got everything around over here. You can also work around with shapes and add in different shapes as needed, just like this. If you're actually used to Google Slides, then you'll find a lot of these features are familiar. And if you want to learn more about Google Slides, then you can check out my tutorial series on that as well in my YouTube's playlist. Apart from that, if you want to quickly get your works done, then there are some templates around over here as well. On the top, you got option for last edit details. You can go around and see all the comments from over here as well. And you see the sharing settings around over here on the top right hand side. And these are different options of Google Vids that we'll explore as we move along the course. And this is the main interface of Google Vids that we'll be working with throughout this tutorial series. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe